Today I want to touch on the problem with the financial services industry in South Africa and I think worldwide. And I think the problem is that we've got too many salespeople and not enough financial advisors. As a financial advisor myself and the owner of a company where we employ financial advisors, where we train up financial advisors, I have to say that the number of people that come to us that wishes to become financial advisors that we put through training, help them to get their RE5 exams, helping to get their qualifications, etc. They come in with the expectation that, listen here, I'm going to learn how the products work. I'm going to learn what is a retirement annuity, what is an endowment, what's a unit trust, what's a life policy. And then all I need to do is I need to go and find people and I need to sell it to them. And over I have to caution financial advisors that that's not your job. If I want a funeral policy, I can walk into Checkers, Pick n Pay, Woolies, and there will be a little stand that sells funeral policies. If I want to take out life cover, I can go onto the internet and I can go and Google life cover companies that sells life cover directly and I can do it myself. There is so many avenues for people to take up investments directly, take up life cover directly, anything that they need, that they can go and buy it. Just like Takealot, you can literally go and buy anything that you need without getting advice. But the thing that makes financial advice so special is that a financial advisor must have the ability and the capability to help people by taking their personal circumstances, looking at their personal circumstances from a distance and saying, in my situation, I know I need life cover, but how much life cover do I need? And do I really need life cover? Or maybe I don't need life cover. Maybe it is something for somebody else. But people don't always know that. People think they need X, Y, and Z and therefore they take it. Financial advice is where we take a lot of information. We talk about your dreams, your plans for the future, your needs for the future. And then according to that, we give you advice as to what you really need and what you have to do in order to get that. So if you are a financial advisor, a true financial advisor, we need people like you. If you are somebody that wants to learn how to become a proper financial advisor, we need you. Please contact us, have a coffee, come and talk to us. Let's see if there's a place for you in our family. All the best. Keep on. Bye-bye.